Around 1830 in New Zealand, there were an estimated 100,000 Māori compared to around 200 Pākehā. Of these 200, many were whalers. The biggest port in New Zealand at that time was Kororareka, also known as Russell. The whalers were from many countries, including France, America and Australia, but the majority were from Britain. Being a whaler in 1830 wasn't for the faint-hearted. You could be at sea for months at a time, hunting huge and sometimes dangerous creatures like the sperm whale. So when you came ashore, with as many as 300 others from up to 12 different boats, there was often some serious drinking to be done. And this led to trouble. Fighting, prostitution and disease were all common. This fighting and lawlessness was of concern to local Māori and to the missionaries. Kororareka became known as the hellhole of the Pacific. However, local Māori also enjoyed the trade the whalers brought with them, and many of them prospered. Some Māori got work on ships and travelled the world. Between 1830 and 1840, trade grew and other whaling stations were set up around the country. The whalers needed the permission and protection of Māori to live and work on their lands. This often led to marriages between Pākehā whalers and Māori women. The whalers were some of the first pioneers to come to New Zealand, and the combination of their lawlessness and trade were contributing factors for local Māori in signing the treaty.